If you are getting something went wrong with error code NP-104602-3 on PS5 while playing NBA 2K26, these are the most common fixes shared by real players on Reddit and YouTube. First, change your Wi-Fi frequency and DNS. Go to PS5 settings, select network, then settings, choose setup internet connection, highlight your Wi-Fi network, press the options button on your controller, change Wi-Fi frequency band from automatic to 5 GHz. If your router is far away, try 2.4 GHz instead. Next, select Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Enter 1.1.1.1 as primary DNS and 1.0.0.1 as secondary DNS. Save the settings. Restart your PS5, then launch NBA 2K26 again. If that didn't work, clear the PS5 cache. Turn off your PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Keep holding until you hear the second beep. Connect your DualSense with a USB cable. Press the PS5 button. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Then choose Clear System Software Cache. Restart your PS5. Try NBA 2K26 again. Next, restore your licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts. Select Other. Choose Restore Licenses. Select Restore. Wait for it to finish. Then launch the game again. Also restart your router. Unplug your router for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait until the connection is fully restored. Then try NBA 2K26 again. And if you can, test your PS5 using a mobile hotspot. If NBA 2K26 works through the hotspot, your normal Wi-Fi or ISP connection could be causing the problem. And don't reinstall the whole game first. For this error, community fixes mainly focus on the network connections, DNS, cache, and PS5 authentication rather than reinstalling NBA 2K26. Bye bye.